All right. So what we have here is there's multiplication there. 3 times x minus 2. It's x plus 1 times x minus 3 there. And then we have x minus 4 squared there, which with repeated multiplication, if we just rewrite this, that's x minus 4 times x minus 4. So we have a bunch of multiplication things, and we know from our order of operation that we have to do our multiplication first. How do we multiply when there's one number out in front? If we do the algebra technique, that will get distributed, and you'll get 3 times x minus 2. In the second one, we'd have to multiply our first ones, our outside ones, our inside ones, and our last ones. Same thing here. So if we just draw all the arrows for what we're going to do, this is what it's going to look like. So there's going to be a lot of multiplication to start with. I'm going to put the answers to each of these in their own sets of brackets just so that we can see them. When we multiply 3 times x minus 2, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 2 will be minus 6. X times x here will be x squared minus 3x plus x. 1 times minus 3 will be minus 3. And here, x times x is x squared minus 4x minus 4x, and positive 16 because negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. So we have, in the first bracket, 3x minus 6. In the second one, if we combine the like terms there, we're going to get x squared minus 2x minus 3. And in the third set of brackets, if we simplify the like terms, we've got x squared minus 8x plus 16. So those were the same kind of questions that we were doing before. You just sort of had 3 of them combined in one question. And now we have these adding signs in between. So now we just have to put all of our like terms together. So looking at this, the highest power is an x squared that I see through the whole thing. Do we have any like terms with this x squared?
Yes.
We have another x squared there. If we add those two together, we're going to get 2x squareds. Because we're adding now. Now we're looking for like terms. We have 1x squared plus another x squared. That will give us 2x squareds. Here we have a 3x, a negative 2x, and a negative 8x. If you add all those together, 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 minus 8, negative 7. And now our numbers are constants. It's not going to be negative because we got negative 9 plus 16 plus 7.